Hi friends, this is Saraswati. I am a certified fitness trainer and dietitian. Today I came up with the topic hair loss. Especially during this pandemic time, during this lockdown time, many of us are facing with the hair loss. Now I am going to give you the reasons, at the same time remedies also. Okay, now coming to the point, you all know that most of the Indians would be facing with the D vitamin deficiency, right? Yes. Then as we are staying inside the houses due to this pandemic, just imagine how much our D vitamin levels would have gone low. So that is the most important reason for our weight loss. I'm not saying that you should come out. Just spend some time at balconies. Okay. Second point, as our daily activity got disturbed completely, so most of them turned towards the eating. Most of them started eating binge eating, and most of them started cooking high calorie diet, started eating high glycemic index diet. All this leads to the hair loss. Second point. And coming to the third point, like physical activity. Our physical activity drastically came down. That is also one of the reasons. I know that ladies don't agree that they said that they completely the whole day they would be in the kitchen, they would be cleaning all the works and all. Yes, you are great, you are doing great work, but along with that you need the physical activity. You can't compare that work with the cardio workout. You can't compare with the strength training. You can't compare that with the mobility exercises and all. This is something different. When you do the exercise, what happens? Our blood circulation get increased, it get improved, so that indirectly helps your hair. So that is one of the reason. And the most important reason is hormonal disorder. Many people tell they never faced any hormonal disorders in their lifetime. How can all of a sudden hormonal disorder comes inside? I'm telling you, hormonal is something which comes inside you within 1 and 2 months. At the same time, within 1 and 2 months, we can flush it out also. Okay, hormonal disorder is nothing but lifestyle disorder. We have another name, that is lifestyle disorder. Now you can see our lifestyle got disorder, like sleeping pattern got changed, eating pattern got changed, and the physical activity came down completely. So all this leads to the hormonal imbalance. Even we didn't even realize that we are going under hormonal disorders and all. See, this is the one of the reason. So when hormonal imbalance started, automatically the first thing we can see is the hair loss. Okay. Now, and the next thing is, I would like to give you how to analyze the intensity of the hair loss. See, just hold your, first thing you will see the hair all over the floor. That the indication. Second thing, just hold the hair and pull it. If it is one strand, then okay. 2 strands, then okay, we can rectify with diet and supplements. If it is 3, if it is 4 and more than that, please consult a doctor. You need the clinical support along with the diet and supplementation. Now, coming to the diet and supplementation. Everyone try to have 1 fist of boiled peanut. It's a boiled, just not a raw. Take nicely boiled peanut, 1 fist. Take 1 fist like this, and 1 whole egg. This 2 is very important. Along with this, 1 glass of milk. Don't add to your diet. Replace your diet with this. I mean, suppose if you are taking morning breakfast 3 dosas, instead of that take 1 dosa and try to have it. If you are taking only 1 dosa per day, morning breakfast, just skip that dosa, try to have 1 fist of peanut and 1 whole egg and then milk. Okay, try to replace, don't add up, replace it. And people who are non-vegetarians, those who don't eat egg, please go with 1 cup of boiled cauliflower. Boiled, it should be properly well cooked. And then people who are having thyroid issues and all, please don't go with the cauliflower. So in place of that, try to have 1 fist of peanut and 1 glass of milk. It is must in the breakfast time, not the other times. Don't replace and snacks time and all. Please try to replace your breakfast time only, because breakfast, early morning diets, almost it should be the functional diets, because it our body absorption would be high. So that time it's good to add functional diets. Right. Coming to the supplements. Unless without undergoing any blood checkup, please don't go with the supplements, especially the multivitamin. People started using the multivitamin and all. When your body is working properly, in the sense you are having proper vitamins, everything sufficient. If you are losing hair, you need to find out what is losing. Based on that, you should add that supplement. Just blindly don't start supplements. Sometimes multivitamin especially. multivitamin leads to the gaining weight also. So you need to check if there is deficiency. Definitely we have to go. If there is no deficiency, why should you go for the supplements unnecessarily? But coming to the D vitamin, 99% most of them would be having the D vitamin deficiency. So it's good to go with the D vitamin supplements, and along with that properly maintain this diet. Hope this video helps you. I'm going to come up with many more videos like this. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget. Bye bye.